This will be a revisit of the now famous Kentucky Kid murder trial verdict.
Hello Jamaica, I'm Robert Hill, aka Kentucky Kid. Police broke stoplight and nearly kill me. Mash up me car and me body and me kidney. If I never TVG, them charge me like Ratney. I be corruption, I go on in the country.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
3 cops and 2 civilians were charged for the murder of entertainer Robert Hill, otherwise called Kentucky Kid.
Every police wanna kill me because they realize that I'm right and they are trying to cover up for their police friend.
The charges were laid against the 5 following a ruling by a jury at the Kingston and St. Andrew Coroner's Court in the inquest into the death of Hill, who was shot and killed in what the police said was a shootout when they went in search of him at his Ivy Green Mews home on the 8th of December 2009. The cops were identified as Special Corporal Uriel Anderson, Constable Gary Thomas, and Special Constable Norval Warren, while the 2 civilians were Marvia Morgan and Donovan Brown. Before his death, Hill made several complaints to a number of bodies, including the Police Public Complaints Authority and Jamaicans for Justice, concerning incident between himself and the police, expressing fear for his life and the safety of his family.
I can't get no justice from no one in Jamaica. All I know, everywhere I go for justice, in the police force, there's someone there trying to kill me or someone there trying to set me up with the police. So I would like the whole world to check this, listen this, and know that if I'm dead or anything happened to me, it's the Jamaican police carry out that works or that order.
Hill had also recorded and released a number of videos on the internet detailing his allegations of abuse at the hands of the police. He also posted videos showing police officers ill-treating him and his then pregnant wife at their Kingston home.
Well, on July the 29th, I was at my apartment outside when 2 carloads of police drive in. I was smoking a cigarette and one police jump off by and run down on me. Said, "Boy, drop the cigarette, boy," pointing his gun at me, running down to me. Same time an ex-police run and put his hand in my pocket. Other police I must put my hand in my head, on my head. An ex-police hold my ear and say he wanna cut off my locks. Then they handcuff me. A police named Inspector Allen say he want to search my apartment. When they asked me my address, I said, "You can't search my apartment, you don't have a search warrant." He said, "Who told me that?" I said, "Human rights. Say you got to have a search warrant or a witness from the JP." They handcuffed me, dragged me to my house. 3 policemen that time tried to push me in my yard by myself behind closed door, wanting to kill me or frame me because they realized that the police has crashed in my car and the investigation officer fabricate my statement, and I have reported them to the public complainant, I have reported them to the public defender, I have reported them to the PPCA, I have reported them to human rights, I have reported them to the police complainant. But the police complainant is no good. You are reporting police to police, so I wouldn't get no justice there. After they searched my apartment, they did not find anything illegal. When they searched me, they did not find anything illegal. They still take me to Alpha Street Police Station, say they are gonna lock me up. Inspector Allen wanna know who owned my apartment, who I'm paying rent to, what's the name of my landlord. I don't know why he asked me all these questions. Then they tried to take my fingerprint and wanna take my picture. Luckily, human rights, I got to call them on my phone and tell them that I'm in the station. My lawyer called and asked for me at the station. They say I was not in the station. I really don't know what is going on, but all I know, the police are covering up for each other and they are trying to kill me. I didn't do anything. I was driving to Ochi, approaching the Dumbo Olin and Spanish Town bypass. The stoplight was on red. I stopped obeying the stoplight. Meanwhile, waiting for the stoplight to change, I saw this police car spinning and two-wheel come and hit my car, mash up my car.
In the recordings, Hill pleaded for help and claimed that elements within the constabulary were conspiring to intimidate him in order to get him to cease pursuing complaints against the police arising from a motor vehicle accident in Spanish Town, St. Catherine on the 11th of July 2009.
Right now, at this present moment, what I really want to say is that is be corruption, thief, and lie at police at Spanish Town Police Station. And I can't believe it's in every police station in Jamaica right now when I realize. Because the investigation officer, Mr. Garden, and the driver of the police car, the police car, Sergeant Beckford, know that I'm not the cause of the accident that take place on July 11th and Spanish Town bypass at the Dumbo Holding stoplight. The accident I was in, my car was stationary at the stoplight when the police car broke the stoplight. That police wasn't conscious at the time. Driving so fast, seems to me you were intoxicated. Come and hit 3 cars and nearly kill me. Then them seize my car, never take me to doctor, and look how near the hospital is beside the police station. They refuse to take a statement from me same time. I went back to the station on Saturday to take pictures with my car and the police car so I could show my insurance the impact. The superintendent there said I can't take any pictures with the police car. So they asked me to leave the station.
The coroner's inquest in the questionable death of the 37-year-old entertainer had begun on the 28th of September 2010. However, to the dismay of Hill's family, the DPP dropped the case against the murder accused and all 5 were freed on Tuesday, the 14th of October 2014. At the time, the Director of Public Prosecutions, Paula Llewellyn, told the Home Circuit Court in downtown Kingston that it would be impossible to mount a viable case against the accused, contending that the Crown was not in a position to contradict the policemen's account that they acted in self-defense. The DPP also stated that there were no witnesses of fact or any other material which could support a charge of murder or conspiracy to murder. She said while her office was sensitive to the sentiments of the public, the prosecution has to act in a professional manner and not be influenced by prejudice or sympathy. Presiding Judge Justice Carol Lawrence Beswick then directed the jurors to return a formal verdict of not guilty. So shocking was the ruling that the country's parliament got involved. The ruling also angered Commissioner of the Independent Commission of Investigations, INDECOM, Terence Williams, who sent a report to Parliament rejecting Llewellyn's position and pointing out that there was no dispute over whether the 3 policemen were responsible for Hill's death. To which Llewellyn responded, saying that after close examination of Williams' report, it revealed misstatements and misconceptions relating to fact, law, and policy. The matter was then referred to a special joint select committee formed to review reports from parliamentary commissions including INDECOM. The committee was formally chaired by then Deputy Speaker of the House of Representatives Lloyd B. Smith. It is unclear what came out of that review, and like that, one of the most famous cases in the nation's history slowly drifted from conversations.
And what the government is taking poor people tax money to pay police for? To kill, rape, frame innocent people, and nothing comes out of it? Well, now I'm sitting here making this speech for the whole world to understand what I'm going through. After I realized what the investigation officer is doing, he fabricated my statement. I told him my car was the second car in the stoplight. He write my car is the first car. Everybody know that I was stationary. He write that I was going 35 miles before I reach a stoplight. Is this justice?
Teach them! Hey, yo, yellow! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.